Looking for a haircare solution that truly restores your hair after heat styling or coloring? Moisture by MONDAY Haircare promises just that: gentle cleansing that nourishes and soothes, leaving your hair feeling healthier and more resilient. If your hair struggles with breakage, dullness, or dryness, this might be the answer you've been waiting for. I've tried countless products to repair the damage from daily heat tools and color treatments, but moisture stood out immediately. Its formula features coconut oil, packed with fatty acids that deeply nourish and prevent protein loss. Unlike heavy oils that weigh hair down, this one absorbs quickly, giving my hair a soft, natural shine without any greasy residue. Plus, hydrolyzed rice protein strengthens each strand by boosting collagen production in the scalp, meaning my hair not only looks better but actually grows stronger over time. What makes moisture even more appealing is MONDAY Haircare's commitment to clean beauty. Their shampoo and conditioner are free from harsh SLS and parabens, so you get a lightweight, fresh feeling after every wash without compromising on safety. And if you care about the planet, the recyclable pink bottles and minimal packaging are a thoughtful bonus, good for your hair and the environment. Users across the U.S. have noticed real results. One customer shared how switching to moisture, alongside low lights for gray hair, transformed their hair's texture: less breakage, more shine, and visible growth. That kind of feedback speaks volumes about the quality and effectiveness of this bundle. If you want hair that feels soft, looks shiny, and grows stronger despite heat styling or coloring, moisture is worth a look. It's a simple switch that supports your hair's health from root to tip, with clean ingredients and ethical values to match. Try it when you're ready to see the difference for yourself.